Hello, I'm Nate. Today we will see a vending machine from beauty product. The machine is with a main boss and a slave boss. The main boss is with spial and elevator. The pickup door is in the middle of the machine. It's an automatic door. 22-inch touchscreen can allow advertisement, touch to buy. The slave box is some lockers. We can put some larger size product inside. I will show you the buying process. Firstly, we buy from the main box. Select Pay by Card.
Present your card or your mobile phone.
Tap the card.
Authorizing. Thank you.
The elevator will go up. So I can pick the product. Buy from the slave box.
Present your card or your mobile phone.
Tap the card.
Authorizing.
So we can grab the product, put in this locker. If you are interested in this beauty product vending machine, please contact us for more information.